Welcome to Healthy Eating. Chicken roast. Let's start. Chicken, 1 kilogram. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, ½ tablespoon. Salt, ½ teaspoon. Yogurt, 1 cup. Ground coriander, 1 tablespoon. Chili garlic paste, 2 tablespoon. Carom seeds, ½ teaspoon. Corn flour, 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. Leave it for 1 to 2 hours. Fry them at low flame. Cover it for 10 to 20 minutes. Now dish out them. Our chicken roast is ready. To watch more, please subscribe, like,